Hey foodies! Today's delish is a quick and easy strawberry and avocado salad that's meant to be served straight away. This low-carb spring salad is healthy and full of refreshing flavors, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Oh, and did I mention that it takes less than 15 minutes to make? So let's dive in, shall we? Let's start by making the vinaigrette, which is basically a fancier way of saying salad dressing. In a clean jar, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of vinegar of choice, Dijon mustard, maple syrup or honey, and chili flakes. Season with sea salt and pepper to your taste. Now I would normally add 1 minced garlic clove, but not today, because hubby's taking me on a date tonight. Set the lid on and shake vigorously to emulsify, then set aside until ready to use. Take a large salad bowl and add in the fresh arugula. Prepare the strawberries by cutting off the green bits with a paring knife. Thinly slice the red onion and add it together with the strawberries to your salad bowl. Top the salad with crumbled feta cheese. Roughly chop some raw pecans and add them to your salad. Using the same paring knife as earlier, run the blade all the way around the avocado from top to bottom. Twist the two halves in opposite directions to separate them, then remove the stone. Gently slice the avocado's flesh, making sure not to cut through the skin. Once you have diced the avocado, scoop it out over the salad in the bowl. And last, shake the dressing one more time before pouring it over the salad. And that's it, foodies! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment. See you next time!